It's Camera and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I apologize in advance if my voice sounds weird because I'm sick at the moment and I'm coughing like crazy. So I'm gonna try to edit out the coughing so it's not annoying. So let me know what you guys think in the comments if you like the Estee Lauder foundation, if you've already tried it, if you're gonna try it, all that jazz. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, you know the drill. And I will see you all in my next video. Let's get started. Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. I got mine from Sephora for $42, I believe. And so today I'm going to put it on, see how it mixes with my other products, wear it all day, and then check in at the end of the day and let you guys know my final thoughts. Okay. To start off, let me tell you about my skin first. I have dry skin. Let me get close. I have beauty marks and some freckles. Up there. And this is by my eyebrow. This mark is from a blemish, and down here that's from a blemish too, but the rest are beauty marks and freckles. So we're gonna see if it covers them up. I already don't like that it doesn't have a pump because I don't like putting foundation on with my finger. It just feels nasty. Is that just me? I forgot to mention I got the color Cashew. I'm gonna blend it in with my Real Technique sponge. Okay. I do feel like it's a little light. See? But we're gonna keep going. I think I want to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Golden 40. Okay, I put on my concealer and I set it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. It's a little light. And let's see if you can still see my beauty marks. You can't see the one that was under there. You can see that one. You can kind of see this one. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can kind of see my freckles on my nose. This is what we're working with. Okay, now I'm just going to set my whole face with this fluffy brush. And this Milani powder. And contour with the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit on my cheeks because I look like a ghost. Yeah. I don't like looking like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I'm done with my makeup, by the way. Do you guys like this background? Or is it corny? I think it's cute. I think it's cute to have something in the background. Little candle, little flower. I just thought I would give you something to look at. It's my other videos, it's just the plain white background. Yeah? You feeling it? You not feeling it? Let me know. Okay, so it's like 7:30 or 8 in the morning. I'm gonna wear it all day. I'm gonna try to wear it at least 6 or 7 hours. And I will be back. I mean, today has been just... But anyways, I hope everyone has had a great day. Hold on. Let me light the candle for y'all. Oh Lord, the thing won't light. There we go. Okay, the candle's lit. Yes. Okay, now let's get to the topic at hand. So I've been wearing it. I put it on at like 7:30. And now it is, oh, you can't even see it, 4:58. So it's been like 9.5 hours. I don't know. I don't know math, but whatever. It's been on long enough. So let's check it out. Let me zoom in. Well, let me get closer. You know, this isn't a fancy camera. Wait a minute. Oh, Lord. Okay. Now, I am sick, so I have been blowing my nose all day. It's rubbed off. See, you can see my freckle right here, and you couldn't see it before. And my freckle right there. So it's rubbed off, but I have been blowing my nose all day, for real. I like it. I didn't touch up. I don't touch up throughout the day because I just don't have time. But really, there would have been no point because I was blowing my nose all day long. It came off right here, too. Like, this is not my beauty mark right here. It was covered up at first. Like, you see the difference? You see this beauty mark? Then you see this one? Overall, I like it. I don't know how many shades they have, but I think I might need to go up a shade. Because you see, I mean, depending on what they have, because you see the color difference. Look at my neck. And look at my face. You can definitely see the difference. Okay, so pros, I will say it stays in place all day. Like it says, stay in place makeup, definitely. Dries down matte, but not too matte. Because like I said earlier, I have dry skin. And I didn't feel like, you know what I mean, when you have too much makeup on and it feels like you can't even move. I don't feel like that. I will say I could have moisturized a little more. I mean, I have dry skin. I could have moisturized more. I probably didn't even really need to set it with the powder, to be honest. But I wanted to do my normal makeup routine. So I did everything that I normally do. So I will say the cons, no pump. There's no, let me show you. There's no pump. And it's messy when there's no pump. You see that? It's already messy. That's what happens when there's no pump. So yeah, I could have did with the pump. I mean, it's $42 for the foundation. It could have come with the pump. Another con, something I didn't like, was that it dries so fast. And I like to take my time when I'm doing my makeup. I mean, I just be chilling, listening to music, blending it in. I mean, I'm taking my time. So it dries down faster than my liking. It wasn't horrible, but when I went in with my Real Technique sponge to blend it in, I was like, oh, let me hurry up. I could tell it dries down fast. So that's a con for me. Everyone's different. I think it mixed great with my normal products that I use. I mean, yeah, it looks exactly the same. Even though it's rubbed off on my nose, it doesn't look super patchy. Girl, today has been a long day. I done ripped my lashes off and everything. Okay. I think it's worth the price. I don't think you need it. If you have dry skin, you can make it work. But when you do your morning skincare, just make sure you moisturize. Because I don't have any dry patches, and I have super, super dry skin. Like when I tell y'all, I have super dry skin. Another thing I will say, I think it's really easy to put too much of this on. And I think part of that is because it doesn't have a pump. I don't think it's a need, really. Maybe if you need to if you're going somewhere and you need to make sure your makeup is going to stay exactly the same all day, then yes, you need it. If you just wearing makeup day to day, normal day, you don't need it. So I think you should try it out. See how you like it. Don't forget, if you have dry skin, make sure you moisturize a lot. Pack on, I mean, not too much, but you know what I'm saying. Moisturize a good amount. I think that's all I have for this video. Don't forget to let me know down below in the comments if you like this or if it's corny. Let me know. I personally like it, but you don't have to like it. Just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget that I upload a new video every single Sunday. I'll see you all next week. Bye, guys.